This is a startup of the Sunflex24Plus. We will go through the various screens, and just so we can actually see what's going on, we are going to make an attempt at zooming in. So bear with me while we make this little transition here. A little closer and a little closer, because what's important is what is being displayed on the screen at this time. So this is the basic startup screen, assuming you are in a manual mode. You're not in boost, rest. The temperature and humidity sensor displays the temperature, humidity, and relative heat index in the room at approximately 30-second intervals. During that time, it also tells you whether, depending on what time of the day it is, whether sunrise has been done, and if it is indeed waiting for sunset. That tells you that the system is actually functioning properly and the previous tasks have been successfully completed. Having said all of that, let's see what the menu structure looks like. That's the menu. Up and down arrows allow you to scroll through the menu, select all the various features and entries, and when you're done, we can press enter or press the home key and return back to normal. What we're going to do at this time is show you the very simplistic setup of the system. The very first thing we concentrate on is the date, time, and GPS locations. As you can see, it's 12/19, May the 20th, and latitude, longitude, and time zone is for my location in Phoenix, Arizona. Once that information is entered, now the system is ready to keep track of time and do the task that you assign it to do. The very next thing for the sunrise and sunset, you want to set a duration, and that duration can be anywhere from 3 minutes to 30 minutes for sunrise. We'll set it at 10. Sunset, set the duration between 3 minutes and 45 minutes for sunset. Make it 15 minutes. And next is if you wish to have a night light at the end of sunset. That's a user preference. You will basically select that function. Keep an eye on your incandescent lights in the room. Brighten up the lights. As you can see, it's off. Give it a 10-15% value, just so you can see the filaments barely glowing, and check it again at night and you'll see what value is adequate for a night light, should you wish to use it. We are going to forego it and keep it off. Okay, enter. Fixed sunrise start. Then we have our boost starting hours for the breeding seasons, ending hours, and so on and so on and so on. So I'm going to take it into the very first mode of operation, which is the manual mode, and for that mode the only thing that you're required is to tell the system what time is sunrise, okay, what time you want sunrise to be, and what time you want sunset to be, up or down, you get to pick. Enter those values, press the home key, and that's it. The system is now set for sunrise at 6:50, sunset at 18:12, and a total of 11 hours and 22 minutes of daylight. That is the most simplistic manual mode of operation for the Sunflex 24 controller. Now I'm going to stop it and pick up the next feature, which will be if and when you select the boost mode, just to give you an idea what that feature looks like.